All right, folks, I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2008 Ford Crown Victoria straight appearance package with 128,000 miles and only 174 idle hours. Original silver from factory, folks, from the city of San Jose, California. This is going to be a California unit, no rust on her whatsoever. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, refurbished, reconditioned, inside and out. Folks, I left this vehicle in perfect standing running condition compared to how she was when she first came in the door. One of a kind, folks. You're gonna want to stay tuned on this one. I'm telling you, I did a lot. I threw a lot of new parts, OEM parts, you name it, she got it. Folks, vehicle does have a fresh new window tint that is going to be medium shade all around. Perfect color combination with the vehicle. The tint that came with the vehicle when she came in, it was already bubbly and purple looking, so I went ahead and had that replaced. I'm going to be stepping it up a little bit more on this one because I do have a lot of ground to cover, but if I do forget something, folks, it's going to be in my eBay description. Vehicle does have 4 holes where those antennas are, 3 on the trunk lid. Those are going to be the actual antennas, but are just there for looks, not up. Okay, once again, they're just there for looks. And 1 on the roof. Those antennas are solid, so if you need to take your car through an express car wash, those antennas are going to stay put. Everything does work. This is going to be an E85 vehicle, folks. Once again, E85 okay on this one. The paint looks very, very sharp. It does have little scratches, no door dings. Scratches, okay. They're light surface scratches, but no door dings, okay, folks? Vehicle does have a fresh new set of tires. All right. The tires that came with the car, they were not acceptable. They were dry rot and they needed to be replaced ASAP. So the vehicle does have 4 new tires. Along with that, I went ahead and had the all 4 steel wheels reconditioned, so they do look new all over again. Nice gloss black. All right. The tires are gonna be by Kendall. I used to use those before. I have no complaints, nothing but positive feedback. Those are gonna be the all-season touring tires. Okay. Very quiet, very smooth. You don't hear the road on these tires whatsoever. No spotlights ever installed on the vehicle. Once again, this was an unmarked vehicle from the city of San Jose, California. Folks, the front end was reconditioned, so I did give the vehicle a facelift in the front. Let me tell you that the front bumper cover was repainted. The paint does match exactly to the vehicle. When the vehicle first arrived, the front bumper has scuff marks on the passenger side and driver's side. I knew what the plan was on these vehicles, so I had that front bumper repainted, reconditioned. It wasn't broken, but it has scuff marks. Also, the vehicle does have a brand new set of side markers, OEM headlights, OEM grille. Once again, everything, the whole front end of the lights are OEM parts, folks. You should see how this car was when she first came in. Wow. Big old makeover. Everything original, folks. I have to hurry up here, folks, because I got so much ground to cover. I want to make sure you hear everything that I need to say on this vehicle. Let's go inside. Once again, this is the straight appearance package. Super nice inside, folks. Everything matches. I do have a matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeted black floor, black carpet inside the vehicle. I do have all 4 matching OEM floor mats inside the vehicle. Door panels are in perfect condition. All 4 door panels are in perfect condition on this vehicle. Electric seating. Before I forget, this is going to be a C6 axle, Charlie 6 axle, 3.55 gears on this one. Driver's side seat in really, really good condition. Passenger side seat, same. I do have one small little tear on driver's side carpet. You guys can see that right there. Sorry, I'm losing light, but yes, driver's side carpet, a little bit of wear right there. But I'm sorry, folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. Honk does work. The texture on the steering wheel is very nice. There's no wear and tear on it, so it's very smooth. Everything does work. One key is what came with this vehicle. I'm gonna try to get you a copy so that we have two. Once again, one key is what came. Let's go ahead and fire this car up. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 128,000 miles, folks. 174 idle hours. There you guys have it. Stereo does work. Stereo does work. The volume knob here is a little bit faulty, but you can still grab it and turn it up and down with that initial. You just gotta go slow. Dash trim was replaced when the car came in. It had a nice little hole here. I didn't want it with holes, so yeah, the dash trim was replaced. Ashtray assembly down there. Also, I needed a new one. There was nothing in place, so I went ahead and took the last one from my inventory. I'm sorry, guys. I'm losing light. See if that helps. Anyway, ashtray assembly is there. It's in mint condition, folks. Okay. Working cruise control. Everything does work in the vehicle. Let me see. Am I forgetting anything else here? I hope not. But once again, if I do forget it, I'm gonna put it in my description. Let's go to the trunk. Hola, ¿cómo está? Aquí, mira, trabajando. No nos queda de otra. Gracias. All right, folks, this is gonna be the trunk. Vehicle does have a fire extinguisher there in place. I do have a full-size spare tire for this one. That's going to be a new Goodyear Eagle RSA, which actually came with the vehicle. I took it out so that my detail crew can go ahead and clean this up with no issues. Folks, I do have to step it up here, so I'm going to start from the back and move to the front. Vehicle does have brand new rear rotors and brakes. Vehicle does have brand new brakes in the front, and I went ahead and cut the rotors. There was a lot of iron left on there, so I went ahead and cut the rotors. Vehicle is super smooth and very quiet. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Okay, vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Fluid and filter. Transmission was also serviced, and I did use American 5 on this one. That's what it takes, American 5. Also, folks, before I forget, vehicle does have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Vehicle does have new gates, dry belt, tensioner, and pulley. These components are all new. I went ahead and replaced everything on this vehicle, folks. I'm not lying, and I do have receipts for everything. Also video and footage. What do you know? Also, the front struts were replaced, and I did go with the KYB Severe Duty. I used this before many times. I have no complaints. I've also installed a new OEM coolant reservoir. The one that was here, it was old and pretty black looking and yellowish at the same time, so I went ahead and replaced it, and I do have those on standby, so I went ahead and gave you a new one. I also got in between the radiator, clean up all the dust bunnies that were in place. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a new OEM AC condenser. The AC condenser that came with the vehicle was leaking, so we went ahead and replaced it, folks. And along with that, I gave you a brand new external heavy duty transmission cooler. You can't see it, but it's right there. It's right there, folks. You guys can kind of see it right there. Alright, I did install an external transmission cooler on these vehicles, so I can go ahead and protect the transmission in this particular car here. Vehicle also did come with the fail-safe blue silicone OEM hoses. That's a neat feature to have. Vehicle does have a new fuel filter. Rear differential was checked. and topped off. Headlight bulbs are also new in front of the vehicle, and I went with the Sylvania Silver Star, so they're nice and bright. They're not yellowish, they're white, so you can see better at night. What else, folks? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Alright, bumper was repainted, front struts, rear brakes and rotors are new, front brakes are new. All the PM services were done on top side. Oh yes, radiator assembly and radiator fan. This was new. I can tell that it was replaced by the department, folks. So it's got a brand new radiator fan shroud and module by Ford. I was able to tell that that was new from that department. I also went ahead and replaced the thermostat and seal. Alright, I did everything. I don't know what else to say. I know you can find a cheaper Crown Vic out there, but it's not going to be in this condition. That is for sure, folks. I did everything. I did everything and more, and I did go way over budget on this vehicle trying to get her perfect for her new home. Alright, folks, this is SoCal Police Cruisers. I do gotta go. The clock is ticking. If you are interested in this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. Let's see if we can come to an agreement. She's not gonna be cheap, folks. Alright, she's not gonna be cheap. So if I can help you, I will. If not, I do apologize in advance. What you see is what you're gonna get. One last final look. 2008 with 128,000 miles, 174 idle hours from the city of San Jose, California. All right, folks, this is going to be SoCal Police Cruiser signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend. God bless. Take care and Happy New Year.